Hi everyone, so I'm just coming today with another craft with me video. I've used an envelope, I've used book pages, I've used some digitals, and this could either be a kind of floating pocket. You can, you could put it into a pocket, or you may not want to add like all this on the back, and you can just glue it down on like two sides, and it could go onto a page like so. It's not really a page, it's another envelope, but you know what I mean, it can go on glued down there, glued there, and it could be another tuck behind. But I decorated the back so that it was optional, and the flap, and we got something in there, so stay tuned and watch me make this. So I start here with I was going to glue that edge down because I trimmed that off for something else. So I'm just measuring the book page to fit onto there. So now we're going to put some book page onto the flap of the envelope as well. And we're going to put some lined paper on the back. Now, like I said at the beginning, this is optional. If you wanted to glue that straight onto a journal page, then don't bother with this part. But if you're just going to use it like a floating ephemera piece in your journal, then you can decorate it as well. But you can still leave it blank if you want to. So now I'm coming in with a stencil and I'm going to use some gesso, just some white gesso. I've got a little scrubby spongy thing and I'm just going to protect the inside of the envelope with some scrap pieces of paper. And just going to open my gesso up. And then I'm just using a little sponge. They're just the kitchen sponges. And I just kind of cut them up into like 3 or 4 pieces when I'm like doing this, rather than wasting money on proper things that just end up going in the bin. So anyway, you can use any colour you like. I'm just using just the white gesso or just white acrylic paint, but that was to hand, so that's what I used. And then here I'm just going to dry that. Now that's all dry, we're going to do the flap. And we're just going to protect that again with some scrap pieces of paper. So now we're just going to ink up around the edge, or all the edges I should say, just to give it a little bit more definition. In with the scrap pieces again. It's a bit tricky, isn't it, doing like inking up the edge there when I would have made a right mess, as you would have seen. Again, inking is just a personal preference. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. So we're just finishing off inking around there, and obviously where I had opened that up for another project and didn't use it, I'm just going to just run a bead of glue all along the edge to stick that down. I did actually go ahead and run it through the machine, but at that point I didn't know what I was doing. Now all that's done, I have picked a few pieces here. There's a bit of ledger paper. Can't remember what kit that was from. It was a little, what was it, like a little travel thing that I'd bought. I still haven't actually made what you were supposed to make with it, but I have used it for other things. And the digital that I'm gluing on now is from the Old Design Shop. You can go over to the Old Design Shop on Etsy, and they have a 50% sale on the digitals at the moment. So you'll find all the links below in the description box. So I'm just trimming that little bit off, and then we're just inking up again. And that's gonna go there. So now I'm just adding a little sticker and another little word tile, and again they're from the old design shop. So this was a really quick and easy little project, and you know, you could do it with any style of envelope. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be great if you gave me the thumbs up. It'd be great if you left a comment. And yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time.